Hello everyone, welcome again to my new video of VIRTUSA placement coding question. So here I came with a new video and this video is a birthday party problem. So in this video we are going to discuss a birthday party problem. This is the most common and frequently asked question during the online or offline placement. So this question will be very important for the students who are preparing for the online or offline campus selection. And so moving to the question. This question is saying that a mother wants to celebrate her child's birthday. So she has ordered two types of cake, and the first cake can be cut into n pieces and the second cake into m pieces. His mother wants everyone at the party to get an equal number of pieces of cake for each type of the cake. So basically the question is saying that a mother wants to celebrate her child's birthday, so she has ordered two types of cake. The first cake can be cut into n pieces and the second cake can be cut into m pieces, and his mother wants that every people that attend the party should get an equal number of pieces of cake of each type. So our task is to find and return an integer value that will represent the maximum number of people that can attend the party where everyone gets an equal number of pieces of each type of cake. So now we are moving to the coding part of this question. So here is the coding of the question. This program will determine the maximum number of people that can be at a party based on the number of pieces of two cakes. Now I am running this program and also the output. Later I will explain the step-by-step execution of this program. So enter number of pieces of the first cake. The user have to enter the pieces of the first cake. I have entered 5, and then user have to enter the pieces of the second cake. I have entered 20, and it will show the output. Maximum number of people, of the people at the party is 5. How it came means, now I will explain step by step execution. I have copied this program and pasted it here. Now I'm going to explain this step by step. First, I have imported a scanner class. So a scanner class is used for reading user input. We have to take a user input as in the form of pieces of first cake and the second cake. So I have imported a scanner class. Now I have declared a public class birthday party and followed by main method. So every Java program should start with the main method. So I have declared a main method. Now I have initiated a scanner class with the object scanner to take the user input. Now I have displayed a message enter number of pieces of the first cake. User should have to enter the pieces of the first cake, and I have stored the pieces of the first cake into variable n. Then the enter number of pieces of the second. User have to enter the pieces of the second cake, and I have stored the pieces of the second cake into m. Okay, now I have declared a variable result that will call the max people with equal pieces method with the values of n and m and store the result in the variable result. Okay, now I have declared a display method that will print the result indicating that maximum number of people at the party and stored in the result variable, and we have closed the scanner class. Now moving to the next part of the coding, that I have declared a private method of max people with equal pieces. So I have defined a private method that takes two integer n and m and returns an integer. Now I have called the find GCD method with the values of n and m and store the result in the variable GCD. This will return the GCD value. This will return the variable GCD. Okay, now moving to the next part of the coding, that is find GCD method. So I have defined a private static method find GCD that takes two integer parameter a and b and returns an integer. Now I have declared a while loop. This while loop will continues as long as b is not equal to 0. So this while loop will run until the b equals to not equals to 0. Now I have declared a temp variable that will store the value of b, and now this will update the value of b to the remainder when a is divided by b. Now the value inside the temp value variable will be assigned to a variable. Now at last it will return the final value of a as the greatest common divisor. So basically this is the execution of the program. This is the step-by-step execution of the program. So I hope you understand this program. If you still you have any doubt, ping me in the comment. And if you don't understand anything, repeat the video and watch again. And if you want this code, ping me in the comment. I will provide this code. So thank you for this video, and see you in the next video.